Millionaire Mindset Mastery. Unveiling Secrets of the Wealthy. This journey is not just about acquiring material riches, but also about embracing a mindset that transcends limitations, propelling you towards a life of abundance, fulfillment, and purpose. Get ready to unleash your untapped potential and step boldly into the realm of Millionaire Mindset Mastery, where the secrets of the wealthy await you with open arms. Step 1. Cracking the Wealth Code. The importance of discovering these hidden principles cannot be overstated. They are the very foundation upon which the wealthy have built their empires, setting them apart from the rest. Realize that cracking the wealth code is not just about acquiring material riches, but also about embracing a new way of thinking, one that empowers you to overcome obstacles, seize opportunities, and live a life of abundance. So embrace the significance of this endeavor, for it has the power to elevate you from where you are to where you truly desire to be, a place where financial freedom and limitless possibilities await. Step 2. Rewiring your money blueprint. It's time to challenge the deep-seated beliefs that have held you back from achieving true abundance. By rewiring your money blueprint, you have the opportunity to rewrite the story of your financial life. Embrace this pivotal moment to let go of scarcity and embrace a mindset of limitless possibilities. As you reprogram your thoughts and beliefs surrounding money, it opens the door to new opportunities and invite prosperity to flow effortlessly into your life. Dare to break free from the limitations of your old blueprint and step into a realm where financial success becomes your new reality. The power to create wealth is within you, waiting to be unleashed through the transformation of your money blueprint. Step 3. Mastering the Art of Abundance. Tap into the wellspring of infinite possibilities that the universe has to offer. It is a conscious choice to embrace gratitude, attract positive energy, and manifest your desires with unwavering faith. Through this empowering process, you unlock the power to create your own reality, attracting abundance in all its forms: wealth, success, joy, and love. Dare to dream big, let go of limiting beliefs, and open your heart and mind to the abundance that is your birthright. Mastering this art of abundance is not just a destination, but a lifelong journey of growth, fulfillment, and the realization of your highest potential. Step 4. Building a solid foundation. It starts with the power of intention, as you commit to establishing a strong financial plan and setting achievable goals. By doing so, you create a roadmap that leads you towards your desired destination. This foundation serves as a compass, guiding decisions and actions as you navigate the path to financial abundance. With every step you take, you strengthen your position and build momentum towards those aspirations. It's not just about the end result, but also the journey of growth and self-discovery along the way. Take the time to lay the groundwork, visualize your dreams, and watch as your solid foundation propels you towards a future of lasting financial prosperity. Step 5. Unleashing the power of visualization. This is more than just a fleeting daydream. It is a powerful tool that aligns your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your deepest aspirations. When you vividly see yourself achieving goals, this creates a magnetic force that attracts the opportunities and resources needed to bring them to life. As you harness the power of visualization, you tap into your subconscious mind, activating its limitless potential to guide you towards success. Embrace the clarity and focus that visualization provides, allowing it to fuel your motivation and drive. With unwavering belief and a clear mental image of your desired future, you unlock the power to create your own destiny. Close your eyes, visualize the life you desire, and watch as the universe conspires to make it a reality. Attention-savvy investors and finance enthusiasts. Unlock financial freedom and master wealth creation at Braylen80.com. Subscribe now for a prosperous journey. Step 6. Developing a millionaire work ethic. Cultivate a mindset that is relentless in its pursuit of greatness, and forge habits that propel you forward, day in and day out. A millionaire work ethic means working smart, utilizing your time and resources with laser-like focus. It means persisting through challenges, undeterred by setbacks, and using them as stepping stones to growth. Efficiency becomes your mantra, as you optimize efforts to yield maximum results. Embrace the discipline and dedication required to soar beyond the ordinary and reach new heights of achievement. Remember, success is not handed out. It is earned through unwavering determination and a willingness to put in the effort. Dig deep, channel your inner drive, and witness as your millionaire work ethic sets you on a path towards greatness and financial prosperity. Step 7. Strategic wealth accumulation. This is the compass that leads you towards financial freedom and abundance. It's about making deliberate choices and implementing smart wealth-building strategies that propel you closer to your goals. Embrace the power of multiplying your income by diversifying your sources, taking advantage of investment opportunities, and leveraging your assets wisely. Like a skilled chess player, you anticipate the moves and seize opportunities that others may overlook. By taking calculated risks and remaining persistent, you pave the way for your financial growth and stability. Align your actions with your aspirations, and watch as strategic wealth accumulation transforms your life, opening doors to a world of endless possibilities and prosperity. Step 8. Mastering the art of negotiation. Embrace this skill as a powerful weapon in your arsenal, allowing you to navigate through the intricate web of deals and investments. Through effective negotiation, you can craft win-win scenarios that leave both parties satisfied and propel you towards your financial aspirations. Embrace the confidence to articulate your value, while also understanding the needs and desires of others. Like a maestro of deals, hone your ability to turn challenges into stepping stones for success. With each negotiation, you sharpen your edge, gaining the power to open doors that were once closed. Immerse yourself in the art of negotiation. It is a gateway to realizing your dreams and claiming the opportunities that await you. The path to millionaire mindset mastery holds within it the extraordinary power to unlock the secrets of the wealthy. By embarking on this transformative journey, you are poised to reshape your relationship with money and rewrite your financial destiny. As you crack the wealth code and rewire your money blueprint, you will cultivate an unwavering belief in abundance, setting the stage for unparalleled success. Through strategic wealth accumulation, multiple streams of income, and the art of negotiation, you will leverage opportunities to build a solid foundation of prosperity. By embracing resilience, adaptability, and continuous learning, you will navigate the ever-changing financial landscape with confidence and grace. And as you master the art of wealth preservation, giving back and leaving a legacy, you will realize that true wealth extends far beyond monetary riches. The journey to millionaire mindset mastery is not only about acquiring material wealth but also about embracing a mindset that transcends limitations and empowers you to live a life of abundance, fulfillment, and purpose. So dare to dream big, embrace the mindset of the wealthy, and unleash your untapped potential to create a future filled with prosperity and limitless possibilities. The secrets of the wealthy await you. It's time to embark on this extraordinary journey and claim the life you truly deserve.